This is question 14 from Module 2 Hard of Bluebook Practice Test number 5. F of x equals 1.84 to the x over 4 power. The function f is defined by the given equation. The equation can be rewritten as f of x equals the quantity 1 plus p over 100 to the x power, where p is a constant. Which of the following is the closest to the value of p? One way to solve this problem is to rewrite the given function in a form that will help us get to the answer. Since f of x can be written in this form that's raised to the x power, and right now the function is written in an x over 4 power, let's rewrite this function so that it is raised to the x power. And one way you can rewrite that is to write this as f of x equals 1.84 to the 1/4 power, and then all of that raised to the x power. When you have an exponent raised to the exponent, it's the same as multiplying the exponents. So this is the same as saying this quantity 1.84 to the x over 4 power. Using a calculator, the value of 1.84 to the 1/4 power can be determined. And using the calculator, you will find that this quantity is equal to 1.16467, so on and so forth, to the x power. So now we have the quantity of our function raised to the x power. The function they want to make equivalent to this is equal to 1 plus p over 100 to the x power. Since both functions are raised to the x power, it can essentially be found that this quantity has to equal this quantity. So in other words, 1 plus p over 100 must equal 1.16 and the rest of the digits. Since p over 100 is essentially asking up to the hundredths place, this number is only rounded to the hundredths place. 1 plus p over 100 equals 1.16, essentially equates to p over 100 equals 0.16. Which means p would be approximately equal to 16. They should both be approximately equal since we are rounding there. And since the question says which of the following is closest to the value of p, that would be answer choice A. So choice A is correct.